Hercules III is a unique and highly specialized vehicle created for one purpose: launching gliders into the air. It is not a conventional automobile, but a self-propelled winch that combines automotive engineering, aviation needs, and industrial design of the mid-20th century. The development of Hercules III began in Czechoslovakia in the mid-1950s. The prototype was presented in 1956, and serial production started in 1957 at the Moravan factory in Otrokovice. Production continued until 1961, with a total of 522 units built. Despite the relatively small number, the machine became widespread, especially in Eastern Europe. A significant portion was exported to the Soviet Union, while others were used in East Germany and various socialist countries. For several decades, Hercules III was a standard piece of equipment at gliding airfields. Technically, Hercules III is a self-driven two-drum mechanical winch. Its heart is the Tatra V8 engine, a V8 air-cooled diesel with direct injection. The engine has a displacement of 9.883 liters and produces 99 kilowatts, 134 to 135 horsepower at 2,000 revolutions per minute, with a maximum torque of about 500 newton meters. The same engine was used in the military truck Tatra V8, which explains its durability and ability to work under heavy load for long periods. Cooling is provided by air and a large oil volume, resulting in a very distinctive and loud engine sound due to the minimal exhaust system. Power is transmitted through a hydraulic clutch, a flywheel, and a gear system that can direct torque either to the cable drums or to the driven front axle. The rear wheels are steerable. The vehicle is controlled from a two-seat open cabin. The left seat is used for driving, while the right seat is dedicated to winch operation during glider launches. All wheels and cable drums are equipped with hydraulic brakes, operated separately for precise control. Each drum carries a steel cable up to 1,000 meters, approximately 3,280 feet long. A special spooling mechanism ensures even winding, while cutting shears are installed as a safety measure if the cable cannot be released from the glider. In typical conditions, Hercules III could launch a 500 kilograms, about 1,102 pounds, glider to an altitude of about 300 to 400 meters, roughly 984 1,312 feet, and even higher with headwind. This made it ideal for training flights and club operations. Originally designed for lighter gliders of the 1950s and 1960s, Hercules III later became underpowered for modern two-seat training gliders. From the early 1990s, many units were upgraded with more powerful Tatra V8 engines, increasing output to over 200 horsepower. Even today, restored and modernized Hercules III winches remain in use, serving as a testament to robust engineering and a remarkable chapter in aviation and automotive history.